Without leaving this video right now, head on Google right now, go and search for how to start a business online or how to create a product. The first thing you will see is conduct a market research. But the big question is now that how do you conduct an effective market research that will show you what kind of product to create and how to enter into a market that is filled with competitors and how to take what belongs to you in that particular market. That is why I'm creating this particular video. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to conduct effective market research for your new product, especially if you just launch a product or you are thinking about creating a product or you want to start a new business, you want to venture into a new business, you are thinking about how do you go into the business. This video will be what you need to learn how to create an effective market research in 5 simple steps. The goal of creating market research is for us to understand and to uncover the valuable insights and opportunities that the product we are going to create offer to its users, not just about us, but about the solution we are bringing into the marketplace. So therefore, in this comprehensive guide, that's exactly what I'm about to walk you through. These 5 simple steps on how to do an effective marketing research. Let's dive into this video right now. The first thing you need to do when you are doing your market research is to understand and to define your target audience. That's the first thing to do. You have to define your target audience. Who are the people that you are creating this particular product for? Even before you create the product, you need to know who you'll be serving. Just imagine you are in a kitchen, right? The other day I went to the kitchen, I met my wife and she was cooking. I noticed that she had onions, she had tomatoes, she had pepper, she had everything that she needs to cook that delicious meal for us that wonderful evening. And that just reminds me of how people go about creating products without even deciding who they are creating this particular product for. It's like you go into the kitchen without any ingredient, just put water on the fire and you are waiting for your food to get prepared. It is not possible. That's why you need to understand your target audience. And even if you are preparing a meal, you need to know who you are preparing that meal for. Who am I preparing this particular product for? And how to get that done is to understand the following. Number 1 is for you to identify the target audience. Before you define the target audience, you have to identify them. And when you are identifying your target audience, what you need to be looking out for is their demographic. That simply means we're talking about their age, the people you are going to be serving, their gender, their location, their occupation, their psychography, right? The traits of those ideal customers that you need because of your product will solve that particular problem for them. So let's say, for instance, I have a course that helps experts create their own course. So my target audience are experts. I'm not targeting people who are not experts. I'm targeting experts and professionals and skillful individuals. So those are my target audience. Once I'm able to identify them, these people that I'm targeting, what is their age? What age range are they? What is their gender? Male, female? And what is their psychography? Psychography simply means what is their relationship with money, with products? What is their behavior? What do they think about taking online courses and learning from it and also using it to make money or create their own courses? That is very, very important to identify once you are trying to define your target audience. So maybe the kind of product you are creating, or maybe your business you want to go into is to target health conscious people, or people who are family oriented, or someone who is into self-improvement and he has a money mentality, right? All those things will help you understand the people that you are going to be defining as your target audience. Now, once you are able to identify those kind of traits, the next thing we need to do is to understand their pain. If I'm reaching out to somebody who is 30 years old, is an expert, and he wants to learn how to create digital empire, now his major pain is that he needs more money. He might be working right now, but he needs more money. He needs time freedom. He needs flexibility. He needs to be able to travel on vacation and not worry about spending money while he's on vacation. And that ranges from 30 years old up to 60 years old. Those are my target audience that I've been able to identify. And number 2, their pain is freedom. They need money, they need time. Or maybe in your own case, maybe you're into the health niche and the business you're trying to do is targeting people who are health conscious. What is their pain point? That audience you want to serve, you must know what is their issue. What problem are they trying to run away from? What problem are they looking for solution for? If you understand that, then we are done with number 1, which is defining your target audience. So we move to number 2. Number 2 is you need to analyze the market. Now we already know who we are going to be serving. We know the people that need our product and services. But one thing that we don't know yet is this. We don't know the market. We don't know what is in the latest. We don't know the latest trend in the market. We don't know even if the market is going up or going down. We don't know if the trend is just starting or the trend is fading. How about the gap? What is the gap in the market? People who are already serving people in the market. What aspect of the market that they are not yet serving yet? That is the gap. Where are those gaps in that market? That is how we are going to identify opportunity. So as we do market research, we are able to identify all these opportunities. We are able to see all these pain points. We are able to analyze and know this is the area. This is what is trending now. This is where people are going to buy this particular product. This is the platform that they are staying. We are analyzing the market. And this is the price. We are looking for opportunities that other people are not even solving, but they are in the market, in the same market with us, so that we will be able to know how to present our product. In order for you to do that, you learn how to identify the trend. Whenever you are doing your research, the first thing to check for is to identify the trend. If the trend is going up, you know you are in a good market. If the trend is already coming down, you know something is wrong. If the trend is at its peak, that is also a problem. So we analyze competitors. We look forward to people who are already in the market. How much are they pricing? How are they selling? What words are they using? What are they saying to potential customers? We must analyze their positioning. What are people that are buying the product saying about our competitors' products? If you are able to analyze all that, we pick out all those information. Then we move to step number 3. So after we analyze the market, it does not end here. So you have to choose which method you are going to use to do your research. Me, when I'm doing my research, I love to go on video and podcast. I go and dig in. I research everything about what I need to research on. I go on a lot of podcasts about that particular product, about the customers, how they feel about it. I watch a lot of videos. And I also get to read, but I'm not a very fast reader, so video and podcast is my best. Now, I can go to an extent of even buying a course relating to the product I want to create, relating to the new product that I'm launching or that I want to launch soon. The course might be, for me, either I'm learning about what I'm going to also provide, or I'm learning how they are teaching the subject. I'm watching, I'm seeing what this person is doing, this expert, what are they doing? What is the structure of the course? What is the innermost part of the course? That is how you perform research, right? You also add interviews, you also go on comments. Now, one thing you do is review. If you are creating, let's say you want to write a book and you are trying to figure out the kind of what your book is going to be solving, the type of problem your book is solving, somebody must have solved it already in different ways, in their own way. All you need to do is to head on to Amazon. Begin to check for reviews of what people are saying about the solution, about the problem, about how the person solved the problem. You will see a lot, you will get a lot, and that is a huge and very important marketing research tool, right? The next thing you need to do is to collect data and analyze your findings. From the podcast, from the videos, from the course, you need to be documenting all your learning as you go. Remember, everything about research is learning. Everything you are doing in a research phase, you are just getting a lot of information, you are learning. Don't be doing research and you are creating the product or you are selling the product. When you are doing research, the only thing you are permitted to do during your research phase is to keep learning, learn as much as you can, and analyze the content of what you've learned. Analyze the data that you've gotten from this particular phase. Then you move to the next phase. And the next phase is what we call synthesizing research finding. This is where you carry this thing that you have found plus this thing you have found. You join 3 things together and you create one unique solution. You see? So you carry this finding from here, this thing from this product. Oh, I like how they package this thing. I like how they serve me, the customer experience. I like how much they are charging. You summarize the key aspect of your findings. Summarize the key aspects, and you know this is what I've noticed from here, this is what I noticed from here, this is what I noticed from here. Then you look for what you notice as a pattern that keeps happening over time across the different research that you have. Let me give you an instance. If you are about to launch your own product and you are planning to sell your product for $1,500, but you notice that across the board, the range of the product is between 200 to 500. This will give you a clue that this is what the market knows about the price. Now, I'm not saying that it is must that you must sell at that price, but at least you now have insight on what the price is. What is the current price that people are buying this thing? Even though you want to go higher, then you have to come with a compelling reason. You have to come with a difference in the marketplace. You have to use something else to let them know that, see, my price is different because of this particular quality, because of this particular thing that I'm adding that is not in the marketplace. So identifying this pattern and trend is going to help you in your synthesizing phase. This synthesizing phase is when you are merging different things that you have found in the marketplace and you are using it to create a unique formula that you will use to solidify your findings. Step number 5. In the step number 5, you are applying your research to product development. Now, this is where you carry all what you have learned, all what you have synthesized, you are now turning it, you are sculpting it into a product that people will love, a product that will solve people's problem. At this point, you have seen it all. In case you want to create a digital product, maybe like an ebook, you have seen different ebook, you have seen the designs of their ebook, you've seen everything that they put in the ebook, the outline, their transformation guideline, all the things that they are putting. You know everything. So at this phase, all you are doing now, you are aligning the product features with customer needs. All the various needs that you have seen that people are looking for in the particular product. What you are now going to be doing right now is to begin to align different features of your product to solve a particular need. For instance, the need of a lot of people who are working class right now, who are currently taking some of my course, my core product creation secrets. By the way, if you've not seen the course, link below, go and join the waiting list for the next batch of my cohorts for this particular course. So people who are interested in this course are usually experts, people who have knowledge in a particular field and they want to transform that particular knowledge into money, right? Into profit. They want to convert it into a digital product that they can sell, they can create once and continue to make money off it. Be it a course, be it a template, whatever it is, be it a coaching program or a challenge, it does not matter. So people, their pain point is they are looking for freedom. They're looking for flexibility. They want to be able to be making money while they are sleeping. And that is what my program solves. That is the problem. So I begin to create different parts of my product. I put a lot of features that solve that particular problem. So if you are creating a product, that is what you must do as well, right? You must make sure that all the features that your product or your services contains is targeted towards solving a particular issue in the life of your clients or in the life of people that will be having access to the product. Don't go and create a product that satisfies your own desire, but when people get to use it, they don't like it. They open it, it's not working. They try to use it, nothing is happening. That would be a very, very bad product. So second thing you need to do is to ensure product market fit. So at this point, what you are doing in product market fit is to fine tune your product in such a way that whatever thing that the market is looking for, your product can offer it. So when you go to Amazon for the reviews, you see what people are saying about your competitor. Their customer this thing is very poor, Joe. They don't reply to chat. You now you are learning. In your own now, you make sure that you are fixing that. You make sure that you are giving the best that you can. So you have to ensure that your product fits what the market is looking for. The moment you do that, my friend, you are on your way to launching a super product that will not only solve people's problem, but it's going to help you create a generational wealth that you and your family and your children will enjoy for generations to come. And there you have it. That is how you conduct market research for your new product from step 1 to step 5. If you are able to do that, then you are set to move to the next stage. Now I have a full program where I break this down from beginning to the end, how to do market research, how to create a product, how to launch your products, how to adapt, to refine your products, and also to grow your business or your product. So if you're interested in that, check for the form where you can join my beta group for the next batch that I'm opening this particular program for, and let's help you launch your next product. Alright guys, so at this point, if you like what you saw, I think the next video will even blow your mind. In this video, I talk about how to create a marketing campaign for your product. Now you are planning to create your product, you will need to know how to create a marketing campaign so that you can promote that product effectively You even know all the strategies even before the product is created. All right, by far, I will tell you, investing in marketing research is the wisest thing that you will do. In fact, it's going to be the most important investment you will do as far as digital product creation is concerned. Without marketing research, you will not be able to make it in this space. All right, soldier, now is your time. Go and start to make this research and create a product that will change the life of people and also improve the quality of their life. If you are serious about doing market research for your new product, then click the link below for you to have access to my techniques that walk you through step by step on everything that you need to do in your marketing research. Go download it and let it guide you as you embark on your own market research. All right, see you in the next video, guys.